Have you ever experienced a sudden itch on various parts of your body and wondered what it could mean? This question may seem odd or even ludicrous to some, but it opens up a realm of fascinating possibilities. Imagine for a moment that the universe, in its infinite wisdom and complexity, is trying to communicate with you through these seemingly random itches. Intriguing, isn't it? This concept, while unconventional, isn't entirely new. It's been whispered about and pondered over for centuries, often dismissed as mere superstition or folklore. Yet it has persisted, hinting at a connection that transcends the physical realm and ventures into the spiritual. These itches, these inexplicable sensations that prompt you to scratch at your skin, may be more than just a biological response. They could be messages, signals sent by the universe to nudge you, to guide you, to awaken you to a greater truth. Your right hand itching might indicate the signals you're sending out, the energy you're projecting. Your left hand could be picking up on the energy you're receiving. And what if the itch isn't on your hand? What if it's at the bottom of your feet? Could the universe be signaling a need for change, a shift in your path? Could it be urging you to step out of your comfort zone and venture into the unknown? This concept of the universe communicating through itches might seem far-fetched to some. But consider this. Carl Jung, a renowned psychologist, also explored this mystery. He delved into the fascinating world of synchronicities, the coincidences that aren't really coincidences. Could itches be another form of these synchronicities? A subtle way for the universe to catch your attention. Paying attention to these signals might offer insights beyond the physical itch. So the next time you scratch that itch, remember, it could be the universe trying to tell you something. The universe is vast, mysterious, and infinitely wise. Could it be that it's reaching out, trying to connect with us in the most unexpected of ways? Keep an open mind, and who knows what fascinating truths you might uncover. Different locations of itches on our body may convey different messages. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? Imagine your body as an antenna, picking up signals and messages from the universe and communicating them to you through something as simple and commonplace as an itch. Let's start with our hands. Have you ever noticed an itch on your right hand? It's said that this could represent the signals you are sending out to the universe. It's like your body's way of telling you, hey, you're putting something out there, be mindful of your actions and intentions. Now, what about an itch on your left hand? This is believed to symbolize the signals we are receiving. It's like a gentle nudge from the universe telling you to open your mind and heart, to listen and absorb. It's a reminder to be receptive to the wisdom and guidance that the universe might be trying to share with you. But what about those itches on the soles of our feet? Have you ever found yourself scratching the bottom of your foot and wondered why? Some believe that this could be the universe signaling a need for change in your life path. It's as if the universe is telling you, it's time to move. It's time to tread a new path. It's time for a change. These interpretations of itches are intriguing, aren't they? But remember, these are just interpretations, not hard and fast rules. It's essential to observe these patterns and see if they resonate with your personal experiences. It's all about tuning into your intuition, your inner wisdom. Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist, spoke about the mystery of itching on select parts of our body. He urged us to be attentive to these signals, these synchronicities, to pay heed to the subtle nudges from the universe. As fascinating as these interpretations sound, it's crucial to take note and observe patterns to see if they resonate with your personal experiences. So the next time you feel an itch, pause for a moment. It might be more than just a random itch. It could be the universe trying to get your attention. Now, it's important to remember, not all itches are a sign from the universe. Some itches are just that, itches. They might be caused by a pesky mosquito or perhaps an allergy to something you've just touched. These are physical responses to environmental stimuli, and while they might be annoying, they're usually nothing more than that. However, there are those itches that seem to pop up out of nowhere. You know the ones I'm talking about. You're just sitting there, minding your own business, when suddenly you feel a tingle on your arm or a tickle on your foot. You look, but there's nothing there. No bug, no rash. Nothing that would explain why you're suddenly itching. It's these unexplained itches that we're focusing on, the ones that could potentially be the universe giving us a nudge. Now, I'm not suggesting you start reading into every little itch you get. That would be exhausting and, quite frankly, a little silly. What I am suggesting is that you pay attention to those itches that seem to come from nowhere, the ones that don't have an obvious physical cause. Why? Because it's possible that these itches are more than just random occurrences. They could be signs, signals from the universe meant to draw our attention to something. Maybe it's a sign that you need to change paths or that you're on the right track. Maybe it's a signal that you're giving or receiving certain energy. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? This idea that the universe might be communicating with us in such a subtle, almost unnoticeable way. And while it might seem a bit far-fetched to some, for those of us open to the possibility, it's an intriguing thought. That said, let's not forget the importance of health. If you're experiencing persistent itches, it's wise to seek medical advice. It could be a symptom of something that needs professional attention. While we shouldn't dismiss medical reasons for persistent itches, those fleeting unexplained itches might be worth paying attention to. How then should we respond to these potential signs from the universe? A question that leads us into the realm of personal exploration and discovery. It's time to turn our attention inward, to observe our unique patterns and signals. Be it an itch on your hand, a twitch in your eye, or a sudden shiver, it's important to take note. The universe communicates in a language of subtleties, often overlooked in our hectic daily lives. It's not about jumping to conclusions or attributing every itch to a cosmic nudge. Rather, it's about becoming more aware, more attuned to the rhythm of your own existence. Think of it as a dance, where you're not just following the steps, but also listening to the music. You may find that the itch on your right hand is not just a random occurrence, but a signal that you're sending out into the world. Or perhaps that tingling sensation on the soles of your feet is a gentle nudge, a whisper from the universe suggesting a change in direction. It's essential to approach this journey with an open mind and heart, inviting the universe's nudges into your life. Be receptive, but also discerning. Take these signs as cues, not commands. They are invitations to explore, to question, to delve deeper. Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist, brought to light the mystery of these seemingly arbitrary signals. He encouraged us to listen, to observe, and to understand our own unique patterns. It's a call to do your own research, to follow the signs as they come, and to weave your own narrative. And when the signs do come, when the universe whispers in your ear or tickles your feet, how will you respond? Will you dismiss it as a mundane itch, or will you pause, reflect, and perhaps alter your course? Remember, the universe communicates with us in myriad ways. It's up to us to tune in and understand its language. So, start listening, start observing, start decoding the cosmic itches and nudges. Your dance with the universe awaits. The universe is a vast, interconnected web of energies, and we're all part of it. When we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, we find that these energies can speak to us in the most unexpected ways. One such way could be those sudden, inexplicable itches on different parts of our body. Now, it's of course important to remember that not every itch is a cosmic nudge. Sometimes an itch is just an itch. But then, there are those itches that seem to come out of nowhere, those that persistently draw our attention to a particular part of our body. Could it be that these are the universe's way of signaling to us, of guiding us towards a path we need to tread, or away from a path we need to avoid? Could it be that our bodies are the canvas on which the universe paints its messages? Carl Jung, the renowned Swiss psychiatrist, brought this mystery into the light, suggesting that our bodies could indeed be a medium through which the universe communicates. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? The idea that the universe could be speaking to us through our very own bodies. So let's embark on this journey of exploration together. You've heard my thoughts on this. Now I'd love to hear yours. Have you experienced any inexplicable itches that you think could be the universe's way of guiding you? What meaning have you discerned from these itches? Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. We're all learners on this cosmic journey, and every experience, every insight is valuable. As we part ways today, remember, the universe could be whispering to you right now. Are you listening? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the mysterious ways of the universe.